Hey, what's up, Jaren? It's Devin again. Thanks so much for talking to me earlier on the phone, and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix super easily so you can start beating PremierAirandHeat.com, because these guys show up on the front page when you type in air conditioning repair Orlando, and you could be there really easily. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you. It's really simple. So many small business owners out there are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers that they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. The only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I make these attack plans and I give them away for free, and some business owners just call me back and have me do it for them. Some people do this stuff themselves. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is just to educate you and help you out if I can. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. I wanted to first start off by saying that the design choice you picked with this website, I really like. It's a really nice, easy on the eyes, simple website. It's got a nice beachy feel, which you're obviously going for with that name. You've got some reviews right on the front, so it's a great looking website. What Google mostly cares about is content, and they want to see a lot of it. Content is any of this text that you can read, and the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words, which is kind of where you want to sit. If I look where you're sitting at, you're currently at 347. If we go to look at your main competitor, Premier Air and Heat, and we go and put theirs in, you can see these guys. Whoops, that was not what I was looking for. This one. These guys have 1837. So it's a lot more content than you, but by getting yourself above 2,000 words, you're gonna blow them out of the water. Now, one more thing you want to include inside of your content is keywords. A keyword is just a phrase somebody commonly types into Google to find your business. So you see like air conditioning repair Orlando, you can save your images as that, like this could be saved as that, but also you want to have that in your content. So if I go and search, it shows you don't have that. So as you're writing that extra content, make sure you put that in there a couple times. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important. Google's kind of like a popularity contest, so they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for you. But they want to see relevant links, so they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another HVAC company linking to you instead of having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's free tools all over the place. I just use it because I'm in the industry. Since you have 2 websites linking to you and you got your first one back in March of 2020, while Premier Air currently has 630 linking to them. That may seem like a daunting task to beat them, but on all reality, the easiest thing to do is just to copy them, because if these links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. So you just go visit every single one of these links and you put a link on these pages just like they did back to your homepage. Most of the time you just have to create a profile and put a link in your profile, or maybe put a comment somewhere, or maybe like click contact us. But whatever they did, if you do that too, plus you beat them in content, that's how you beat them organically down here. If you want to show up number 1 for the ads, you need to bid higher than your competitors. And if you want to be number 1 right here in the Google My Business section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in different directories. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So what I would do, if I were in your shoes, I would figure out what directories Bob Heinmiller was in. I'd put myself in those same directories, and then I'd add a bunch more on top. So like if they were in 150 directories, I would be in like 300 directories. But that's all I've got for you, Jaren. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it short and to the point for you. Excuse me. Super quick recap. You're going to want to make sure you have at least 2,000 words of content on this homepage, and you want to make sure you have some keywords in there, such as air conditioning repair Orlando. You're going to want to have more links in Premier Air and Heat. I would just copy them and then just go copy some other competitors until you have well over 630. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Bob Heinmiller. And if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become number 1 across the entirety of Google. You're probably wondering what you do now. My recommendation is you get started on this as soon as possible, because it does take time to get all this implemented, and the sooner you get started, the sooner you rank number 1 and start getting a ton more phone calls. If you have any questions whatsoever, or if you just want someone else to handle this for you, you want to keep running your business, feel free to give me a call at any time. I put my phone number at the bottom right, and I'd be glad to answer any questions you may have. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this, Jaren. I hope you have a great day.